Why can't you see this flower clearly? It is not black, but it almost behaves like a black hole. You can't read the petals, you can't trace the structure, yet your eyes goes there first. That is the power of a dark anchor. When I first saw this flower in real life, I couldn't understand its shape. It was so deep in tone that the petals almost disappeared. But it wasn't flat black. There were hidden purples, muted browns, tiny shifts in temperature. The mystery made it magnetic. So in this painting, I let it take a large portion of the canvas. Not detailed, not fully described, just deeply anchored. It becomes the first focus before the viewer even realizes it. To identify that darkness, I placed the white flower beside it. Contrast deepens depth. The darker the anchor, the brighter the surrounding light feels. Inside the dark flower, I avoided pure black. Instead, I layered deep violet brown and a touch of black only in the core. There is only one small highlight near the center. If that highlight grows too big, the mystery disappears. So I kept it small, controlled, contained. That restraint preserves the black hole effect. The red flowers in the back receive their own dark accents. Deep green veins, shadow pressed into the petals, and even on the porcelain vase. I added a ring of shadow. These secondary darks support the main anchor. Without them, the central darkness would feel isolated. Together, they create a dramatic balance between light and weight. Sometimes clarity is not the goal. Sometimes what you can't fully see is what pulls you in the most. Stay with me.